Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 CapCut effects that will instantly enhance your workflow and make your edits look more cinematic, that helps to create this kind of high quality short form content. So without wasting any single second, let's start the tutorial. So the first effect is Glow 2. This effect instantly adds the aesthetic cinematic vibe to your videos that hook viewers in seconds. Whether you are editing any video, motion graphics, object movements or even text screen interface, this effect makes everything look polished and modern. Next we got TV lines, also known as the CRT style in After Effects. Once you apply it, your video transforms into a texture that feels cinematic storytelling scene, like something you would see on a high-end display. Now the third one is Vignette, simple but incredibly powerful. It darkens the frame edges, pulling focus towards the center and adding that emotional depth to your visuals and immersive feel. And here's the secret, when you combine all these 3 effects together, you get that perfect storytelling cinematic look that instantly grabs attention and keeps people watching till the end. And the fourth effect is Tree Shade 2. It works like a premium overlay, especially for white background edits that are currently trending. It instantly transforms simple clips into rich cinematic visuals that feel realistic and immersive on screen. These 2 effects together creates the result like the viral content you often see across Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Effect 5 2077. It's basically a teal orange cinematic filter that represents the scientifically proven best cinematic tone. This color tone enhances both images and videos, creating a depth that naturally attracts viewers, and it's used by Midjourney renders on YouTube thumbnails to song covers, movie scenes, ads and Lightroom presets. And when you combine this effect with Glow, you get incredibly eye-catching visuals that add depth, realism and a deep emotional connect to your content. And that's how you can increase your workflow and projects by using some good effects inside CapCut. So in the next video, I'm gonna create a quality reel by using a light motion plus CapCut SFX. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more.